G'day cunts, Dylan from Fry Family back here again. Today I've got an exciting one. It's an overcast, cloudy, cold Canberra day. Don't mind the shorts and t-shirt, I'm used to it. But we've got a good run today. We've got a mate coming, Mustangs Only on Instagram. You'll see him, you check him out. I'll link him in everywhere I can. But check it out, he's going to come over and we're going to go take out the R-Spec and give him a run. So I'm loving the shed, loving the new car. If I pulled my finger out, the video of it should have been out before this one. But if not, oops, that's the new car. But anyway, just got the number plates. We're taking the R-Spec out. We all know about this. Factory, stock as a rock, Coyote 5 litre with a blower on it, 2.65 litre, Eaton. Standard, makes about 700 horsepower at the motor. They've never classified it. It's made 452 rear wheel kilowatts on the hub. And the Mustang that we're seeing today, and we're going to have a run against it, they're manual only, 500, number 66. Love it. One of my favorite cars ever. 2019 GT. He's just recently put a ES blower on it, which is a side mount centrifugal. With an ESS G3 blower with 120mm pulley and G4 intercooler, KPM 1000cc injectors, and a VMP fuel pump booster, long tube headers and cats with a H-pipe, Steeder dual rate springs and Steeder subframe bushings. I hope I'm saying that right. RTR wheels with PS4Ss on the back, which is what we're running on the Mustang on the R-Spec. That's what standard is. And a heap of other RTR plastic bits and bobs on the exterior. But other than that, it's a 10-speed auto, 2019 Mustang. It's going to be a fun race. My predictions are I'm going to get pumped. I'm going to get pumped off the line because it's auto especially. And I'm going to get pumped on the roll because it's auto. And also because it makes, I think, 525 rear wheel kilowatts. Yeah. When he starts going, he's pulling back.
change, but then you're both pretty neck and neck. Coming up, but when you're next to him, it's like, I'm like, what?
It sounds wild.
That's it's an underrated thing. I like the sounds of them,
yeah,
like centrifugals.
Oh, I'm dark, guys. Hang on a second, here we go. All right, cunts, we're back. We've had our races, just as I predicted. It is a fast car, hands down. We discussed and we think that the way it works is because it is a side mount blower. There's a lot more linear power, so it has to wait until it is in the high rev range. It is a little bit negated by the fact that it's got a 10 speed, so you can go down gears a lot more, like he's got a lot more options. But at the end of the day, it was awesome fun. To be honest, that went better than I thought it would. I thought I was going to get absolutely mauled. But it stood its own, it went well. The clutch is now gone. We knew that was coming, knew it was happening, so what do? But it was good. I'd get a jump on him a little bit, usually. Then towards the top end, he'd start reeling me in and going past a little bit. So I haven't watched the footage back again. This is just my experience from memory and how it was. But it was great fun. And he's a true sport, like a legend. I think we're going to be actual good mates for a long time now. So the best thing about him as well, he's a defense worker. Don't know if I should say that. No, so he's a great lad, and I reckon we're going to have a good friendship moving forward from this, and that's what cars are about. We then went to a little meet that was held by a small group. I didn't take any photos or videos, but that was good fun. There was a lot of young people, makes me feel old, but I really liked it. I had 3 young fellas jump in the F-Truck, and we went for a spin into Braddon. And that was awesome. I actually really love that, and I can't wait for the next one. I'm going to support these guys heaps. They're like 15, 16. They had no lift, so I was like, well, we'll jump in. I'll take yous there, drop yous off. Because 15, 16, they're the next generation of car people. They're the ones that are going to keep the cars going and not buy Teslas and love internal combustion, like love cars, love the scene. They're the ones that are they're the next people. So I want to support them. I want to support them heaps. So I really enjoyed that, and I'll be coming to the next one for sure. And everyone else in Canberra should as well. But other than that, it was a good run. Clutch is done. Car went well still considering, but it was an awesome event, and I've made 2 new friends now out of it. So I can't wait for the next one. Who have we got? There's a couple guys out there that I want to race. And they're being soft, so they know who they are. Let's go, come on. All right, it's just for fun, who cares if a stock Mustang beats you? Anyway, guys, have a great one. I'll see you on the next one. Catch ya.